everybody, it's me again, and I'm just making another quick video to wish two of my bandmates a happy birthday. First one I want to wish happy birthday is Danny Roth from Teamwork. He is now 22 today. Happy birthday, Danny, and I hope you have a good day and a whole good year as well. Second person I want to wish happy birthday is Mark Forrester from Lacerda. He is 21 today. Happy birthday to you too as well, Mark. It was nice meeting you finally the other day. I hope you have a good day and the rest of the tour goes well, and hopefully I can come out and see you next week. Or not next week, 2 weeks from now. Or is it 3 weeks? I don't know, whenever you guys come back to Bennington. Then I can wish you a happy belated birthday then, in person. But for now, this is what we'll do. Okay, so if you guys want, you should go wish them, Danny as well as Mark, a happy birthday if you know them. And also check out their bands, Teamwork and Lacerda. So, okay. That's all I wanted to say. Peace. Bye.